Bienvenidos. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video, guys. I'm so excited that you guys turned in for this video. It's going to be a fun one. Get yourself a cup of tea, get yourself a cup of something cool, because this is going to be my summer home tour for my upstairs loft. I have missed you guys. I've been so busy with work. When I'm done with work, I'm exhausted. But I promise you, starting in the month of June, which it's coming up pretty soon, you're going to get great content coming from me. If you're watching this video, it's probably already June, but you're going to get great content coming from me because I'm going to be less busy. I have taken a couple of days off where I'm going to be able to come to you guys and provide you guys with great video content. So don't think I have fled. I am still here. So without further ado, I'm gonna take you guys upstairs, show you guys my loft space. I have rearranged it, added different colors, and I'm super excited to show you guys. I just want to give you a heads up. I always have to do that because people come for me in the comments. People come for me. My decor is very minimal, but I still love to decorate. Yet doesn't mean that I don't have any decorations. I do have decoration. It's just I do not like clutter, hence my name here. I don't like clutter. For me, anything that is extra excess is clutter. So you're going to see decoration, but it's very done tastefully to my liking. I think it's tastefully done. So without further ado, guys, let's get into this home tour. It's summer, guys. If you see me looking outside, this is my front door. I have neighbors passing by, kids riding bikes, pigeons flying, and dogs barking. So don't mind me. Let's get into the video. Let's go. Let's start here. So behind me is my downstairs, and this is the loft space. If you know my home, you know these chairs were downstairs, and I brought them over here, and I brought the downstairs on the chairs that were here downstairs, and I cannot wait to show you guys that video. That's going to be coming up after this one, and everything is so ready for summer, and I love it. So the chairs are from American Furniture Warehouse, just in case you're wondering. They're navy blue, they're very inexpensive, and the striped pillows came with my couch downstairs. Okay, let me come close for you guys. And I love the way I did this little side table. I just think you can put your coffee, your tea, your book here. It's so summery and fresh for me. So I have these Kindle holders are from the Goodwill, and I spray painted them this brass gold. I love the fact that it looks a little old. And the floral is from Ross, obviously. The books are from the Dollar Tree, and this table is from Target. However, I got it at Goodwill. It was very inexpensive. Okay, so when we turn around, this is what my living room looks like, or should I say my family room, because we spend more time here. And on the table, I don't have any decoration. Like I say, I do not like extra things that is not necessary. So I just kept it simple. But I feel like you can put your leg on it. You can put drinks and stuff like that. So that's good. On the TV, I just have a screenshot of summer oranges. I think it looks super cute. It just feels like very warm and summery. And on here, everything is kept the same, just simple decor. And I just got this rug from downstairs as well. And this rug is from Ross, if you're wondering. On the couch, I just kept a throw blanket because we love throw blankets, even in the summertime. And I just like it just for pop of color. Let me come close, like the video is not bright enough. Okay, I just like it for pop of color because it pulls in the blue over here and also the blue in the chair behind me. And I like this little love seat because it's not big, and because here is very small. So the last thing I want is to cramp it with a lot of furnitures. So just that. And if you're wondering, the wall art are from Ross, if I'm not mistaken, and I just love that. I purchased them differently. They're different wall art, but they go together and they feel like they belong together. Okay, so behind me is this section of my home. Let's go close. On my dining room table, I have this runner from Home Goods, and I just love the tassel on there, and the runner is so simple yet so beautiful, and I just love that style, you know, without too much things, but I love it. This rug was the rug that was over here until I switched it because I felt like it was too small, but it's perfect for the chairs and table because the chairs and table are on the rug without being, you know, extended out, and it's just the perfect size for that dining room table. So on this wall right here, I have this wall art, which I purchased differently. This is from American Furniture. This is from Burlington, and it's huge, guys. It is huge. Like, this wall is so big, and I just love that. Let's turn around, show you guys where we came from. This is where we were previously, and I just think it looks so fresh in here for summer. I can't wait to just come here and enjoy. If you want to see what this place looks like previously, you can definitely check my previous videos. So now let's turn around and get you here. So here, I just moved this. It was somewhere over there, but I moved it over here, and I just love that. It's simple, yet I can still host some decor. If it was up to me, I would sell it because I feel like it's more space to add more things that I do not need. But I really, really like it. The florals on there, just the simpleness. And my favorite piece is obviously that one. It's like my style has changed dramatically, and I just love things that just look super simple. Now, let's go here first, and I will talk about the table later. This is my favorite spot in this whole entire upstairs because it's my private nook, like my private space. I come over here, sit and chill, read some book, eat, hide from the kids. It's like a little nook that I created, and I just love it with the mirror behind the chair. I just think it looks so pretty. Wall art is from the Goodwill. I don't know the original where it's from. And mirrors from Home Goods. My chair, I see this at Target all the time, and I almost got the second pair, but this I purchased at Goodwill for about, they were selling it for a little over $100, and I negotiated my way to $80. And I love it. And just a little floral greenery on the side, and I just think it looks super cute. So, and let's see. Here, you know, since we have a dining room table over here, I like to keep extra dishes here. Nothing much in there, just dishes with, you know, like bowls and just things. Because instead of me going downstairs and coming back upstairs, it's not necessary. I can just have things here, and if I just need to clean it, I just go ahead and clean it, but at least it's here. And I have extra vases because, you know, my kitchen is pretty small downstairs, and I do not like adding clutter there. It's very minimal, so I don't keep any additional things. If I have additional guests, I want to be cognizant of other people. I don't want to be like, oh, since I'm a minimal home, we only have 2 forks and 5 spoons and 1 plate. Other people will come visit, or I can host a gathering, like a holiday host, and I have no dishes and I have to go and purchase them. I don't think that's realistic, even for a minimal home. So right here, I love this floral, just the black and white, just brings the side. I can use this for fall, spring, mostly summer, which I'm doing right now. And this, whatchamacallit, Kindle is from IKEA, and it smells so good. Just like a second ago, I was standing next to it when I was filming the Nook section, and it smelled so good. I have this small leaf that I got from the Dollar Tree, I love that, with a little black base. And also the sniffer is from the Dollar Tree as well. I love that. I just go like this and it turns my candle off. My kids think it's too cute. They're like, Mom, why can't we just blow the candle out? I'm like, no, I want to be fancy. It was only $1, guys. So these are the things that I got from the Dollar Tree. It's like mostly Dollar Tree items there. But yeah, I just love the simplicity of this. For me, I just think it's not only simple yet, but it's beautiful on in my eyes. Okay guys, this will be all for the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button so I can bring you guys more content. Again, more videos will come in your way. Stay tuned, listen. But thank you so much guys for watching. God bless you all. Take care. Bye guys.